Are you looking for a natural skincare oil that will help to leave your skin looking smoother and more refined? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make papaya seed oil or pawpaw seed oil. This oil contains fatty acid and antioxidant, which make it a popular ingredient in a natural skin care formulation. So to make this oil, you can use fresh papaya seed or dried papaya seed. So I'm going to scoop to get the fresh papaya seed. So into the blender, I'll be adding the fresh papaya seed. Then I'm going to be adding oil and blend into a smooth paste. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to heat gently and allow to heat for at least for 3 minutes. Then allow it to cool before you strain to get the oil. You can also use the double boiler method to do this. So when the oil has cooled down, strain to get the oil. So the papaya seed oil is ready. You can add some few drops of vitamin E oil and store in a container. You can use this oil for your skin or also use it for your hair. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.